Hi, it's Adriano here from BRZ Food, and today we're gonna cook brisket. This is a half brisket point end. The first step is to trim some of the fat. So I left all the soft fat on and remove all the silver skin. The next step is to apply a layer of American mustard. Next, apply a good coat of extra mojo. That's it. Rest for 20 minutes and straight to a smoker at 120 degrees Celsius. Leave the brisket in there until it looks like this. It's been 6-7 hours. The beef brisket has a beautiful color. Now take it out. We're gonna wrap with beef stock in foil. Make sure you wrap nice and tight. Now back to the smoker, stick a probe in and wait to reach 95 degrees Celsius. Now the internal temperature is around 95 degrees Celsius. Let's take it out and rest. Now we're gonna rest for around an hour or until the temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. So it's been an hour. Let's put it out and see how it goes.